What is good shit?
This is good shit.
Getting stuck here in the middle.
You
I can
mind?
swim.
You have a problem with this?
I do. We have a camera gears with us. अरे इसका तो life jacket है, इसको क्या problem होगा?
Even I can swim.
You do? Ah, perfect. Reached Banasura Dam. It's around 30 minutes from Calcutta. Coming across this place was an adventure in itself because we came across some immensely scenic views. The road that we were driving in was just beside the lake, and the shape of the lake was in itself very beautiful. The scenic views from the top had created this excitement for us to go and explore the lake right in the middle. And we didn't want to miss this opportunity, and so off we went to get our tickets done. A short bus ride away, and we reached this really magical place. Really magical. ये तो
एपिक हो गया
ये कैसी हेरा फेरी है. Okay, so what's happening right now is क्या हुआ? Hey, Akanksha, you want to explain what's happening with us right now?
I'm enjoying. I'm having fun.
Just tell them what's happening.
We are stuck. Like the motorboat thing is.
I think the petrol's over and we're in the middle of nowhere.
It's not nowhere, बे डैम के रिजर्वर के बीच में है. ऐसे तो मत बोल.
कितना फीट होगा बे? 50 फीट होगा ना?
आराम से 50 फीट से ज्यादा ही होगा. 100-150 फीट होगा कम से कम. भाई क्या चाहते क्या यहाँ तो
The guy is trying to start, but eventually it's not happening. Oh, it's scary.
It's not. I don't think.
For you it's not. For me it is. वो चालू ही नहीं हुआ तो फिर?
अबे चप्पू चला के जाएंगे मैं. नहीं तो कायाकिंग करके आया हूँ मैं. I know how to do it.
हाँ, तुम लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस तो हो गया बे. 20 मिनट कायाकिंग करके.
बहुत था. कैसा
लग रहा है तुम्हारे को? यहाँ पे फंस गए क्या?
मिक्स दोनों मिक्स हो रहा है. स्केरी भी अच्छा भी लग रहा है. बीच में खड़े होते सब कुछ देखने को मिल रहा है.
अभी यहाँ पे स्विमिंग करने के लिए डूब जाएंगे तो?
नहीं चाहिए.
तुम्हारे को कैसा फीलिंग हो रहा?
फीलिंग क्या बोलूं यार, पूरा डर लग रहा है, अभी इधर स्टार्ट भी नहीं होगा.
If we have to jump from this to this, that would be late.
It's around 7:30 in the evening here. We just reached Thalassery and we wanted to come and see the sunset in Thalassery, see the sea view bridge. But disappointed we couldn't do that. We kind of missed it by half an hour. Yeah, we kind of missed it by
10 minutes.
10-15 minutes, and that's really sad because coming from so far, missing an important part of the day. It's always sad. But anyways, it looks beautiful now. Really beautiful. Here's how the sea view bridge looks. In fact, after sunset, it looks more scenic. It's a Arabian Sea, guys. So I'll just go and take some pictures and then head back to our rooms and start with the new day tomorrow. So that's it from me. But I'll bring some nice pictures for you tomorrow. See you. Take care.